Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here, we're going to go over KUSAMA. KUSAMA right now is trading at $38.36. 24-hour volume, we were down 9% and market cap, we're down 2.26%. Okay, so heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over immediate short term for 4 hours. Take a look at some of our supply and demand zones using this indicator, which is called a profile volume. Shows us the volume of the dollar amounts here. It shows us volumes of the orders in the sessions itself. So taking a look so far of today, taking a look at our price action. Again, this is the third chart I'm looking at right now, and we've got a continuation divergence. Essentially, when we're taking a look at the price here, if we take a look at this price action of our candlestick, we can see the candlestick price is coming down all the way down to this peak here. We see the RSI, however, is showing us that the RSI increased from these peaks here. So these two differences that we see, this is called a continuation hidden divergence, a continuation pattern of this current trend. And of course, we can see a lot of our current trend right now is a bearish trend. We can see rejection of our 20 moving average here. We can see here barely even touched it. And then here we did break above it, but it does look like we are going to continue to come down. So why I say that the price is going to continue down here, we can see that on our RSI, we can see here our K line and our D line crossed over in a downtrend. So whenever we see the K line cross below our D line, it triggers a sell opportunity. We are considered as oversold, overbought here because we are above our 80% threshold. We are most likely going to see the price come down. The last candlestick here we see is an engulfing candlestick, third time in our charts that we saw it today, and we are going to come down and lower the momentum of our MACD indicator. So the MACD indicator here does show weakness in the current trend, so we may not see those pullbacks for the price pulling back up as strongly as we wanted. We are most likely going to come back down and retest areas of support. So if we take a look and scroll out and use our volume profile, we're going to be fixated on these nodes here as our supply and demand, but most importantly as an area of support. So we can see these nodes here where the price is currently at. These 3 to 4 nodes, price is going to retest that area of support at $37.96. If that area is broken, because the momentum of our MACD indicator is getting lower in that strength, remember we saw, these lighter green colors that shows us that weakness of that momentum, then we may actually break through this area of support and tap into the next area of cluster. So we can see the supply and demand from all the way here to these nodes here. So again, if we do break through that area of support, the price for KUSAMA can definitely come down to 37.21 all the way down to 33.41 depending on how strong that momentum is. And if we take a look at some areas of support here, we can see a few nodes are dancing above the very top of our supply and demand at 37.21. So be very cautious again if the price does retrace down to the 37.21. If the momentum or if these bars here crosses over, we see the MACD line, which is the blue line, and the signal line, the orange line. If we see these two cross over, it is going to initiate that first wave of the bear wave. And if we see these huge histograms and these big histograms or these bars getting bigger at the start of that, then it is going to break through this threshold here and most likely come down to this node down here at $36.49. So that is my video for KUSAMA. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like, subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.